Quick video from Automotive Control in Bristol. We've just installed a Kenwood DMX 5020 DAB-S into this Ford Focus Mark III. We've taken out the original Sony radio and installed the new Kenwood unit, which has your standard DAB radio, normal FM radio, standard Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio music, and obviously Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. As you can see, here's just a few of the compatible apps which are available. Retained steering wheel controls, so they also work the new radio, and the Ford Park Pilot, which is your parking sensor optics, are still retained through there. And obviously all these trims have been replaced, which actually looks very, very factory fitted. Generally a sort of 2.5 hour job in our workshop in Bristol. Again, it's Automotive Control. Thank you very much for watching.